Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to make transparent background. So you can create a new file, and as default we have two layer, first for paper and the second is a normal layer. The normal layer will be set to the transparent background, and if you want to hide this paper you can click this icon, or another option you can delete this layer. As example, I will insert for the image. And if you want to make transparent background in this image, so we'll use the selection tools like lasso tools. Okay, you can select the image as the main image. Okay, this is for example, we create here. And the next, you can invert the selected area. And after it, you can press delete button to delete. But first you need to convert the image to the rasterize. And after it, you can delete the background. So to become the transparent. You also can edit for the seeing select area in here. You can set for width like this, or you can move to the outside like this. And if you done, you can press delete button, and the next click select deselect. So that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to make transparent background.